Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be sharing with you this insane skin lightening and glowing drink with just 4 ingredients that can do wonders on your skin. I mean an amazing brightening and glowing skin transformation, giving you clear skin, acne free, dark spots free, and blemishes free. So in order to make this drink, I will be using papaya, which is a natural skin lightening ingredient, and the skin lightening properties of this fruit help in getting rid of blemishes and pigmentation. And also the enzyme papain in papaya acts as a strong skin exfoliator and removes the dead cells, which can make the face tone looks lighter, soft, and supple. Next, I'm going to be adding mango, which also helps in reducing acne, premature aging, dark spots, and the brightening of the skin. And also, it is an amazing source of vitamin A, C, and it also contains great minerals such as copper, potassium, and magnesium that play an important part in producing collagen to firm the skin. You know, collagen is the key to glowing skin. It is all about collagen. If you are looking for that soft, natural, lightening, and glowing skin complexion, then you need to increase your collagen intake. And if you don't know how to increase your collagen intake naturally, I did a video on how to increase your collagen intake naturally. So I'm going to put the link in the description box. You can just check in the description box and click on that link. It is going to direct you to that video. You can go watch that video to know how to increase your collagen intake naturally. The next fruit I'm going to be adding is pineapple, and with this fruit it is good by sun damage, scars, and blemishes because when paired with the enzyme bromelain, the ascorbic acid in pineapple helps to reduce the look of dark marks, straight acne, and even out the skin tone. And also, one thing you need to know about pineapple is that even though it has these great amazing benefits for skin glowing, pineapple juice is low in fiber and yet rich in sugar. So drinking too much may lead to weight gain and trigger heartburn. So it is always good for you to consume it with other fruits or mix it with other fruits for skin glowing. next fruit I'm going to be adding is lemon. If you want to enjoy clear skin and fewer wrinkles, then you need to start your day off with a glass of lemon water. Lemon has natural skin lightening and glowing benefits. So starting a day with a glass of lemon water is the best option because lemon water has numerous benefits, including increasing the amount of collagen in your skin, and that means you will produce fewer wrinkles, and the vitamin C in the lemon can also fight off toxins that cause breakouts. You can decide to juice it out and add the juice into your drink, or you can peel it and blend everything together just like what I am doing. So lemon juice is a very good ingredient for skin lightening and glowing.